Wishing everyone a wonderful day. Today I really want to make something simple and easy. These incredibly delicious crispy sticks with Italian herbs. They are aromatic, delicate and perfectly crunchy. First, we need to sift 220 grams of flour. Add 1 teaspoon of salt or adjust to your taste. And 1 teaspoon of Italian herbs with a bit of basil. Gently mix the flour with the herbs. Pour in 60 milliliters of olive oil. These crispies are great as a snack, a quick bite, or a tasty addition to soups, salads and dips. Mix with your hand and rub it into the flour until it forms crumbs. Then add 110 grams of water. As we begin kneading, the dough comes together into a smooth, soft ball and starts to release the aroma of the herbs. You can already smell the flavor of our future crispies. You can knead the dough with a stand mixer using a dough hook or simply by hand. Mix until the dough becomes fully combined. Transfer the dough to the table. At first it will be sticky, but soon it will turn soft and silky thanks to the olive oil. It no longer sticks to your hands or the surface. Shape it into a ball, place it in a bowl, cover with a towel, and let it rest for 40 minutes. Time flies. The dough has relaxed. Cut it in half, then into small pieces about the size of a walnut. We don't add extra flour at this stage. Take a sheet of parchment paper, place 1 piece of dough on it, cover with another sheet, and roll it out as thin as possible. No need to grease the parchment. The thinner you roll the dough, the more crisp and delicate it becomes. Unfold it and you will get a thin tongue shape. This is the first baking option. The second method is to roll the dough without parchment, directly on a silicone mat or a clean countertop. It lifts easily from the surface. Prepare the remaining pieces and place them on a baking sheet lined with parchment. Bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius, 356 degrees Fahrenheit, for 8 to 12 minutes, keeping an eye on them. My dear viewers, these crispies turn out incredibly aromatic and delicate, with a golden crust and a satisfying crunch in every bite. They are perfect as a quick snack, breaking with a pleasant snap. Thanks to the olive oil, they have a tender, almost airy texture. Light, crispy, mildly salty, with gentle herbal notes. Truly irresistible. I'd like to ask you to subscribe to my channel and leave a like. See you in the next video. Bye bye!